Hi guys, and we're going to be making pizza.
We already have all of the cheese and the toppings ready. We pre-did it, and now we're going to do it.
So,
Put the normal cheese first.
we like mozzarella. Our dad likes veggie cheese, which is gross. Well, for us.
Spread evenly, please.
I have these loose juice. You need to be creative. Oh yeah, I want to try the cheese.
Wow.
That tastes good.
The edge.
So now we are on the toppings. We got cauliflower, mushrooms, spinach, and peppers.
I want cauliflower. This is our side.
I want cauliflower
This is
and
your
some
side.
yeah, cauliflower and some peppers, right? That's what I want. So you can put cauliflower anywhere because everyone likes. I know, but you want cauliflower? No. Okay.
And
You want some
mushrooms
pepper?
are okay.
On your side.
Yeah.
Ah! I don't like mushrooms. Ew. Put those mushrooms on their side.
This is a chunky pizza.
Put their mushrooms on their side.
Even it out. I can see that. Peppers. I'll take peppers. This is a big pizza. It's very large.
Yeah. This looks way different from our other pizza
Is that spinach?
because there's no broccoli.
Is that spinach?
Okay, then spinach.
I'm not putting spinach.
Last.
Yeah, I'm not putting spinach.
You know what? Let's try to just even.
Yeah. Spinach is good, so just put a little bit on your side.
Ah!
Yeah. Okay, that's the pizza. Now it's.